My name is Alex, I'm from SizeWhiz and I'm going to give you a demonstration of our size prediction tool on a live site. So let's start shopping. We're going to look at women's wear for starter and I'll take a look at French Connection. Nice sweater there. Let's have a look at this. What happens is as you go onto the product page, once all the product page is actually loaded, then our button will load. Our button doesn't delay your product page in any way, it actually loads after the product page. So I'm then going to click on Find My Size to see how this can help me. I'm first of all asked to enter my height and waist. You can choose inches or centimetres. I'm going to enter it in inches there, and you can use the slider or the the box to put your measurements in. Either work. You'll see here that this one is in red. It's actually predicted my bust at 38 inches. This is a prediction based on the data that we already have in our system. The button shows us red because it is a prediction, and we really do encourage customers to take the measurements and correct them. Obviously, the better information they put in, the better information they'll get out. So we do alert them. I'm just going to change this because although it's close, my measurement there is 39. If the customer has any needs any help in how to measure, you'll see there you just press the I button and it says how to measure waist and gives some information there. So that's just a little bit of extra help in case they need it. Then the customer can press Find My Size to get their prediction. So in this garment it's saying that the best size is an extra large. So if I now go back to shopping and for example look at a different brand, so let me have a look now, I don't know, let's have a look at Ted Baker. It's quite a nice top there. Let's try this one. And again, once the product page is loaded, our button will actually load and it will tell the customer automatically that they're a size 14, enabling them to just click down and choose the size that they want to purchase. If we try another brand, let's have a look at Juicy Couture. And okay, let's try this hoodie maybe. In this garment, our prediction is a large. So you'll see how the prediction changes depending on the brand. No two brands fit the same, and our prediction takes that into account. So you remember French Connection knitwear, I was an extra large. Ted Baker top, I was a 14. Now in this Juicy Couture top, the best size that'll fit me would be a large. The customer, once she gets a prediction, can do a number of other things. They can check their fit, which can be interesting. So here we're saying the best fit is a large. If we check on the medium, it's too tight on both the bust and the waist. If we check on the extra large, it's saying that it fits, but the best fit is the large there. So you get an indication of what a different size will be like on the customer. The other thing that a customer can do is create an account and save their information for use on other devices and for other stores. So if we just quickly create an account, there we go, and recreate that there. Oops. And then we'll just put a password. You can look at the terms and conditions and privacy policy if you like, or tick that we agree with those. And then you can look at your account. So you'll see here, these are the measurements that I've entered in, and these are the ones that I still need to enter. I'm just going to change this here because the current profile is mine, so we'll put my name on. And I can enter these other measurements at any time I wish, so I'm just going to do these now. Let's say that's my arm, hip, we'll put that there at 40, and my inside leg, let's say at 32, and we can save that profile. Yep. And then when we come out of that and go back to shopping, for example, now that we've entered hip, we might want to look at a pair of trousers, for example. So or a skirt. Let's have a look, French Connection, there's a skirt there. So now the system should give me a prediction for that item as well. And you'll see there that I'm a size 12. If I now just have a look at something on menswear, let's have a look, for example, let's take a look at Claudio Lugli and pick one of these shirts. I like this one with the working men. Here you'll notice that I don't get a size prediction because the measurements that I've put in are on a female's account, and so to find my size on this one for a gentleman you would start again and enter his measurements, and then equally those measurements can be saved under the same account with just a different name, and then you can go on to get predictions for both men's and women's wear. So there are other things that you can do with the tool, but hopefully this just gives you a general overview of how it works, and if you need any more information or would like to have a chat about it, then please just get in touch. Thank you.